So a leaked hands-on comparison video of the Lenovo Legion C700 is finally here, giving us a closer look at Lenovo's new cloud gaming handheld alongside the Y700 5th gen gaming tablet. The video highlights the C700's dedicated handheld design, featuring RGB lit TMR joysticks, Hall effect triggers, active cooling, and a comfortable 556-gram chassis built specifically for gaming. We also get a tour of Lenovo's Legion Zone software, Wi-Fi setup process, and cloud gaming features powered by Tencent Start. Gameplay footage shows the C700 running cloud streamed titles with adjustable settings for frame rates, graphics quality, audio control sensitivity, and even AMD FSR support. The side swipe quick menu appears fast and responsive, making on-the-fly adjustments simple. With its 7.82-inch 120Hz display, 8000 mAh battery, customizable controls, and native cloud streaming integration, the Legion C700 is shaping up to be one of Lenovo's most ambitious Android gaming handhelds yet. If low latency streaming performance lives up to expectations, this could become a serious option for gamers who want a lightweight alternative to traditional Windows handhelds. I'll be on the lookout for more details about the upcoming Lenovo Legion C700, so make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because if I get new details about the device, including its price and official release date, and of course more specs, I will share with you guys. So smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.